Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to disable reactive movement in Pokémon Go application. If you're tired of your Pokémon dodging side to side during encounters, then let's turn that off. First, launch the Pokémon Go app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Once inside, tap on the Pokéball icon at the bottom center to open the game menu. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner, and then scroll down until you find Advanced Settings and tap on it. Inside Advanced Settings, scroll down and look for Reactive Movement. Click on the toggle switch right next to Reactive Movement in order to disable the option. This setting causes wild Pokémon to move side to side during capture. Turning it off will make them stay still. So that's how you can easily disable reactive movement in Pokémon Go application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.